Hi, Dr. Lindsey and Wendy. We're just going to do a quick... I know, but I think it's recording.
Okay.
Dr. Lindsey and Wendy here. We're just going to do a quick little introduction to this guy, Matthew. He's in his 40s, lives with his parents, and I think he's a delivery man. And he came last year, and we did a frontal case on him. And here's his before and into the case, and I think he did a good job cleaning. He came every day.
Yeah.
And then he is ready for his second case. So we did this little interview getting ready. Okay, today I'm here with Michael, on whom we did 2,516 grafts about 13 months ago. And Michael, I've got a picture of what you look like before up between us. And I worked on you, going for you. You've got that bushy, wiry, good hair. Going against you is, you're a younger guy and you've got black hair and real white skin. So we've packed you in there. Here's a picture of you at the end of the case. I put down that you were easy closure, and you had some ear surgery as a number of years back. You had to kind of work a little scar. Right. And then here you are at a week. You came every day, and we helped you clean. How much did it hurt when I worked on you last year?
Not bad at all.
Okay. And your mom, I think, came and picked you up or something. Did your dad come too at one point?
He came.
Yeah. And then we got your stitches out. This is what you looked like on the day your stitches came out. And then at 6 weeks, I saw you, and I thought your scar looked awesome. But you had a little bit of acne in the recipient area, which it's what seems like 5% of guys that we work on. And we gave you some cream to get rid of that. And then you came in at 7 months. And here you are at 7 months compared to before, and you look pretty good. And then you came in, a week or two ago, and we discussed doing another. And what we're going to do today is cut out your old scar and hopefully leave you again with a 1 millimeter or less scar, and put a couple hundred singles at your hairline, because even though you get good hair, everybody always needs a little bit more at the hairline, and then everything else we'll put behind it. And so we'll video that, and we'll have a little discussion next week and finish this up. Anything you want to tell the audience that would be looking at this?
Don't believe you see what you see in the commercials about it's a one-day procedure and next day you go back to work.
Right, you need a week off. Yeah.
Not just jump in a pool again.
Yeah. And it takes a year for it to grow.
Hair.
Yeah. Was that pretty upfront with you when I told you all that stuff?
Everything was 100% up front.
Okay, all right. Well, thanks. So then we did a second case in which we worked behind his first case and added a few hundred grafts to his left corner. And here he is at a week when his stitches came out. So Michael is now day 7 out from his second case. And how was the week? How much did it hurt?
No pain.
And you live close by, and you came 2 or 3 times this week, right? Did you clean up?
About 3 or 4 times.
3 or 4 times. And I'll put a picture up right between us now showing what a great job you did cleaning. And you just told our customer today what you did. So tell the audience what you did, because whatever you did was right.
Yeah, but just what the recipient areas, the scalp, and put conditioner on it, sit for about 15-20 minutes, get in the shower, and have a total rinse off. And when it was dry, I would just sit around and kind of just rub the scalp with my fingertips to break up that clot, those clots, dead skin.
And you did that twice a day?
Twice a day,
starting on day 3, I think.
Once in the morning, once in the afternoon.
Yeah, that looks awesome. And so your week, I want to see in about a month and look at your scar. But remember, we did all this last year, and then of course we almost everybody we add a few hundred grafts to the part side at the second case. And so I think the crown, which is pretty well shaved right now, will start looking better because you had some hair there in about 2 months, and then you'll start seeing new stuff coming towards the late summer or fall, and then that front will start tuning up pretty quickly. But your final results, next July 4th. Anything you want to tell these guys that would be looking at this?
If you're going to get a transplant, do it with Dr. Lindsey.
Thank you. Yeah, and follow the silly instructions afterwards.
Right.
That's the most important thing. All right. Thank you. So I don't have much to add to that. Wendy, you have
I mean,
any-
he did a good cleaning. I think the first time,
he
and
came like every day, but this time he just.
he
it
did
on
really,
his
yeah. This time he did really, really good,
own. Yeah,
and he was able to do it alone.
yeah. And he lives, I don't know, 3 miles from here, so I'm certain we'll see him back for his 2-year video.
Oh yeah, will be. Yeah.
And he's good fella, and like all these guys, if you just plan correctly and do a hairline that fits your age, do
Not to
it.
fit your age, because if you do a hairline that fits your age, if you're 18, you want it down here.
If you plan correctly and do a case that's appropriate for you, clean it right afterwards,
Yes.
and then be patient. It typically works. It works well.
Yeah, it does work.
So if we can help you, please give us a call. Thanks.